What's up, everyone? Welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. This is a 16-lap final in the 100cc Masters class out at NTK in Denton. We were going to do 12 laps because it's super hot, super humid, but we said, hey, we're out here, let's just do the full 16. If we drive faster, the wind will blow harder and it will cool us off. We take the green, watch second place on the outside right there, comes down, and I thought we were going to cross bumpers and I was going to go hop over his left rear tire, maybe go for a ride. I really thought we were going to wreck, but luckily we didn't. It was super close though. I don't think this camera angle does it justice to how close it was. I want to keep up with these front two drivers here. Right there, I kind of slide out a little bit, allows them to open up on me. We'll have a look behind us, and I'm in the middle of kind of both groups of karts. Take a look at the leader. Bobbles a little bit. Second place goes for the lead, and right there takes the lead. I'm on 423's tail, and right there he misses the apex. Not sure what's going on, but he seems to be struggling with his kart a little bit. Really early on the brakes there. I need to be a lot more aggressive, especially earlier on in the race. Sometimes it takes me a few laps to kind of get confident for that race and really go for it. But I probably need to make the adjustment, need to be a lot more aggressive earlier in the race. I also do want to thank, before the video's over, Doug for adjusting my brake pedal. He pushed it out a little bit. It's a lot more comfortable in the kart. Feels a lot better. .423 has the chicane figured out way better than I do. Look at his left rear. You see it kind of hop up in the air. That's pretty normal. But I am noticing he's struggling a little bit. Just right there, he drops the wheel. Just struggling a lot more than I figured he would. I'm not sure what's going on, but he's doing a really good job of maintaining his lead overall. And the 151 kart slowly creeping up behind me. Not really aware that she's back there right now, so I'm focused on what's going on ahead of me. Just need points in my Mychron there on the steering wheel. It's a reminder for myself for the video later that my Mychron is frozen, so my lap times, I'm not getting any lap times or any data. I'm trying to mess with it there to get it to kick back on. Nothing is working. So I'm not able to see if I'm going faster or slower, lap over lap. There are some adjustments I am making throughout the race on, especially the chicane. And I need to know if my adjustments are working or not as far as how I'm entering the corner. And if you don't know if it's working or not, you don't know if you should keep doing it or stop doing it. So it's, I think, a disadvantage for me. Even though we're racing for position, I still like to know my lap times. Catching up to 423 here again. I'm going to try him, if I can, on the straightaway. But he does a really good job in that last section. And I don't have a chance. You hear me mess up there in that last corner, and again, I mess up there. So he pulls away from me a little bit. starting to pull away from me up ahead. It's going to be hard to catch him, but I'm still driving as fast as I can. Try to keep up with him. I look behind me there, and now I'm aware that there's a cart right behind me. I see the white nose piece of it. There's two carts like that, so I'm not sure exactly who it is. But I know they're there. And right there, they catch too much curb, go off the track. Now watch what happens when you have dirt on your tires. If you don't get it cleared, you go into the turn like right there. Very slippery, and she loses it a little bit and allows me to open up a little bit more of a lead. I turn around later after this chicane and look back there and realize there is no cart back there anymore. Not sure what happened, but I was ready for a fight. I was going to have my hands full. So we're going to go ahead and fast forward to the last lap because nothing really happens beyond this point. And I'm sure you guys have other YouTube videos to watch instead of just watching me drive around with no one to race. All right, so we come in third place. Had a fun day. It was really hot, like I said. Pretty worn out when I got home, but the pickle juice does help if you watch the pre-final race. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Y'all take it easy.